Hey folks, Blake Roberts, 97 Way Home Real Estate Group, BXP Realty in Kelowna. I am right outside number 1501, 1160 Bernard Avenue. That is the Centuria building. If you know Kelowna, it is right on the cusp of downtown, really is downtown on the corner of Gordon and Bernard. It's a 151 unit concrete and steel building. This suite, this suite speaks for itself. Let's go in and take a look. And first thing I'm going to do is see what visitors see or what you see when you enter. So this suite is just under 1,600 square feet. 2 bedrooms and a den, 2 baths, 2 parking spots, storage locker. The storage locker is actually next to one of the parking spots. It's not a storage locker per se. Beautiful open plan, redone virtually top to bottom, engineered hardwood floors, new quartz, new kitchen. Absolutely spectacular, upgraded appliances. The building is about 12 years old, if memory serves me correctly. More and more suites are being updated as time goes on, but Centuria dollar for dollar is, in my opinion, the best bang for the buck in town. So again, this suite is just under 1,600 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 baths. And I absolutely, you know what? I actually stand corrected. It is 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, because I am standing in a half bath, and I know there's 2 other full ones. So I could stop and redo the video, but I won't. Bedrooms are on opposite sides of the condo. And you're getting glimpses of views, obviously, that we'll talk about more when we go out on the 2 decks. Again, we're on the 15th floor. Imagine waking up to that view every morning. And check out this ensuite. Separate tub and shower. And walk-in closet with loads of built-ins. And it's got so much space it gets to be a his and hers, not just a hers and hers. Got an access to the deck that we'll get to later. And again, just an open plan. It's magnificent. I know all the plans in the building. Some I like, some I don't. I love this one. There's the den area. We actually live in this building ourselves, lower floor than this one. We converted this to a kitchen if you wanted to blow out the rest of the kitchen, but I think to make the kitchen bigger, but I think most people would want the den space. But this lends itself to nicely, but it is an option if you wanted it. You can just take this in. It's ideal for entertaining. You know, people standing on the island, you can have a crowd of people in here. And there's the laundry. They've upgraded all this with counters, etc. that weren't here. HVAC system rather than electric heat. So you've got forced air heat, which is nice. And there's the second bedroom or den, depending on what you wanted to do with it. Again, great views. Walk-in closet with built-ins. And there's the full bath that I was talking about. So the guest room has its own private bath, which is a good or a bad thing, depending on how comfortable you want your guests and how long you want them to stay. funny when we, after we talked to the sellers the first time, where's the TV? Well, that's where it would go. You've got room for an 85-inch TV on that wall. They don't use it as such. And just for interest's sake, people quite often ask why the sellers are selling. They love their condo. It's just the grandchildren are in Vancouver, and they just personally want to be a little bit closer. So there's 2 decks here. This is the small deck off the kitchen. And of course, cameras never capture the view. It's a lot closer than it appears. That is the downtown skyline. You can see the lake. Right below me there is Gordon Drive. So that is downtown where Gordon is. And then you're just 2 blocks to the heart of downtown, which is is Richter. And then just to the north, that's Knox Mountain, where there's some awesome hiking. You're just a few short blocks away. And if you don't know downtown Kelowna, it is a gem with what the city's done. Our arena's down there, towers being built, and you see the big tower in the middle. A condo this size in a new building in Kelowna would 1.5-1.6. This one is not even close to that. Centuria is the best building in town. Cost per square foot value. It's not even close. And then we're just going to hit the other deck, the big one, the entertaining deck. There's a gas line for the barbecue. And there you are. So the nice part about here, you can avoid the sun, bake in the sun. That's Dilworth Mountain to the right. And then Knox Mountain there, and get back to downtown. Okay, so I'm going to pause the camera and I'm going to show you some of the amenities that Centuria has to offer. So we are back now. We're on the 2nd floor, and if you'd walked just down, right across the hall from Unit 1501 is access to the stairs. You can take the stairs at the elevator. You would come out here, and here's where we're going to access. There's his and hers change rooms right there. This is the Centuria gym. More than a decent amount of equipment. Better than most gyms in town, or condo gyms at least. Air conditioned, etc., comfortable. Dumbbells, universal, Stairmasters as such. And again, good view, lots of light in this gym. And then we're down to the sauna, the steam room, which I just missed. I'm going to get back to the sauna and the steam room. I went up the wrong way. And there's the pool deck. The pool, hot tub. Absolutely awesome spot. And then a quick glance over to the steam room and the sauna, which unfortunately COVID are not operating. They're locked down. But just like I told you, a sauna that would be operating if not for this dang COVID. And then the steam room. And I'm not going to hit the change rooms. I won't go back in that way. And I'm going to pause one more time. So now we're back outside Centuria. Again, 151 units, I believe. just under 1,600 square feet, 2-car parking. And again, the cool part about Centuria, it's downtown without being in the crowd of downtown. Couldn't get a better spot. On the other side of the building is a commercial component. There's accountants, doctors, dentists. There was a grocery store that unfortunately closed down last year. I would suspect it's going to be going back before too long. But regardless, you're a block and a half, one direction to another grocery store, 2 blocks to another one. Everything you need is right here at the Centuria. So Blake Roberts, 97 Way Home Real Estate Group, Kelowna, British Columbia. If you have any questions, would like more information, my cell number is 250-212-2888, or contact your realtor and they'll reach out and we'll get you all the information you need. If you're looking for an executive condo, an outstanding value, and if you're in Vancouver, you really should come check this out because you've got a world-class city, world-class condo that's almost free compared to where you live. Have a great day.